is an emergency action notification, requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activations under the EAS Operating Handbook for a national-level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
Please stand by. The President of the United States will be speaking momentarily. Please stand by.
The following message has been given authorization to transmit at the request of myself and the United States government, in conjunction with the National Aeronautics and Space Administration and the North Atlantic Treaty Organization. This is not a test. I say again, this is not a test. A global emergency has been declared for the entire world. I really hate to say this, but our world is going to come to an end later tonight. At approximately 6:10 p.m. Central Standard Time, or 7:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, in conjunction with the United States government, has confirmed that entities from an unknown origin have been appearing in the sky and have been coming down towards Earth, attacking people that they see. These entities are extremely dangerous and should not be approached. If an entity attacks a person, the person will die and will then reanimate into one of these entities. It has also been confirmed that the entities cannot be killed in any way. Many world leaders across the world have been killed to this crisis. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration has confirmed that the entities will attack and kill everyone, and every human will reanimate into one of these entities within the next 2 hours. At this time, gather with your friends and family and await for certain death. If you are part of any religion possible, pray to your deity or deities and repent. Thank you, fellow Americans, for serving your country. We will conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system with one final playing of the USA National Anthem. This ends my message. God bless you, your families, and God bless the United States of America.